Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time for my Sweet Kawaii unboxing. So I get 2 Sweet Kawaii monthly subscriptions, and one of them, this one, always comes in this cute packaging with cute envelope, which reminds me very much of my Ipsy bag, which I keep and I reuse, and I will do the same with these bags as well. So I just love them. I think they're really pretty and they hold up nicely, and goodness, you can use it again for sure. And I also use these bags for other things. And this is the mystery monthly subscription, and it is, I believe, $25 a month. You'll have to check the website. Go to sweetkawaii.com. Sorry, I know I'm making some noise, but I like to save this sticker that she puts on the outside of the envelopes. I think it's super cute. And if I can get it off without ripping the bag, that's even greater. But it says, thank you for supporting small business, which we usually cut that off and just use the little guys because they're so cute. I'm getting a little collection over here, but they are really cute. And then I also recycle the bags as well. So one of the things that's really fun about this subscription box is that you get something special in each box. So look, I have a little Kiwi pen, which is pretty fun. And also something about her kits that make it different from other kits is that hers are done on vinyl, which some people don't like, so you have to know what you're getting before you order. But all of her kits are vinyl, and I love it, but it is different, and you have to use a special pen to write on vinyl. Not regular pens will work, but this is pretty cute. Little Kiwi pen. And there's a code to get a discount for next month. And this is enough stickers to last the whole month. If you want to use just this kit, you can order just one thing and it will use it all. And it even tells you how to use the pens. And then there are cute little stickers to remind you, Kawaii kit paid, Kawaii kit shipped. Then this one says light the grill, family time, and just a few extra little fun stickers. She counts that as page 1. This is of the summer barbecue kit. And then there's a whole sheet, page 2 of 10 of to-dos and then just headers. And then here is more to-dos and headers and day of the week stickers. And it says always plain ketchup, awesome sauce, and has some watermelon slices. And then here are some really cute check boxes, Taz, with the sun and hearts. Really cute. Or not check boxes, but checklists. And here are the full boxes and some half boxes. Fire it up. I'm going to flip, kiss the cook, sun's out, buns out. There's a skewer of shish kebab. Really cute stuff. Can't touch this. Flippin' awesome. Summer lovin'. Just adorable. And the bunny eating a hot dog. And then here are some payday stickers, laundry stickers, planning stickers, all of the functional stickers. Really cute. They're so cute. And this one has the weekend stickers and then some quarter boxes, and then these are like habit trackers. That's page 8. Page 9 is all half boxes that are really cute. Look at the chips even, and I love this guy. I love all the critters. That's what I love. And then here are the days of the week and the numbered date stickers. So it goes definitely along with the barbecue theme of all the different fruits. And the washi. And more washi. So you get tons of stickers in these kits, and like I said, it will fit the whole month. If you wanted to use it for the month that way, you certainly could. And I just think it's adorable. So I hope that you guys check her out, Sweet Kawaii. If you do, tell her that TT.Scraps sent you. And yeah, I just hope that you'll give it a try, because if you haven't tried the vinyl stickers, you need to. You can find her at sweetkawaii.com, or I think she even still has an Etsy shop. I'm not positive on that, but I know sweetkawaii.com. And so for 25 bucks, I got all of these and this cute little pen. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.